Hi everyone, it's Sunday. I'm a sound healing alchemist, and today in this session, this daily live, we're going to be working with the I Am deck. So, tomorrow is the new moon, and so usually hours or the day of before the full moon, it's a it's time where there's a transition happening, right? So, I didn't want to do anything with um, you know, doing any more release or, you know, reading into a changing cycle or anything like that. What I wanted to do was just look into our chakras and just go into the I am and see what's coming up for us as a reading. And then we'll do some sound around that, right? And then tomorrow, I am going to bring out my Angel Tarot deck and we'll use that. I want you guys to know that I do have different decks, so I'm not just going to use, the same ones over and over and over again, but I want you to see variety, but at the same time, I do also want to give you a good reading for the group. I feel really energized today. Um, it's really cool. I woke up uh, not feeling so energized, and then to be able to bring in energy um, is a good thing. And the reason why I woke up without so much energy was because I heard that machine going off again at early in the morning because they're back there still cleaning this building. I'm like, how big is this building that you need to be cleaning it since last Friday? Um, so I don't know what this is, but it could be the building next door also getting cleaned, but I don't think so. I didn't realize a building could be this big where you would need like 5 days to like clean it. I guess that's what happens when you haven't cleaned it since it was built. So I reframed, I took a shower, and I started using my essential oils. So what's really nice is, um, so I don't know if you guys know, but I used to have really, really dark elbows with my skin on my elbows. So I started doing all these different masks on them years ago and things of that sort. But what you can see now is that it's not as dark as it used to be. Like I'm saying these were like dark, you know, really, really dark, where you could say, you know, the color of my hair even. They were that bad. Because otherwise I wouldn't even talk about it. And I had looked it up, and it's all about, dead layer of skin and all that stuff. But I knew it was more than that. Like it wasn't just a dead layer of skin. And yes, going out in the sun, yes, if you have melanin in your skin, it's going to get darker because you're out in the sun. Um, but the weird thing was that, my knees also had a tendency to be darker too. But I got rid of those in my younger years. I'm 54 now, so for me to still have dark elbows, it was kind of weird. Um, and I always knew it to be a truth for me, so it's just weird. But essential oils have been really, really good for me. So I think I've also been seeing with regular use of taking the On Guard and taking. So I've been using supplements such as the capsules for On Guard and also the DDR Prime for the past, I'd say 2 or 3 months. And I'm just saying, like, my, I don't know, maybe my skin cells are doing a better job of just, you know, I don't know. I don't even want to say. Let's just see if they get lighter and lighter. But I just noticed it today. I'm like, I haven't looked at my elbows in like months, because you never think to look at your elbows. And I just looked at them today, and that also put me in a different frame of mind because I'm like, whoa, those were not as bad as they were like months ago. So I'm really like loving. Hi, Carla. So I will pull a card for you. And if anybody on Instagram will comment, I'll pull a card for them too. So here we go. This is the reading for the group. I am fearless and powerful. So that's a good thing to know because I woke up not feeling so. And I know I am right now because I'm feeling so energized and so in my place of loving myself and just finding that unconditional love of not being affected by this sound. It's now almost like it's become part of the environment so I can kind of ignore it. And just being so strong in my own energy and not allowing anything else to come between me and what I want to be and exude and have in my life. I am awake in my dream. So that is beautiful because that's showing me that I, I I'm in a dream state and I can be creative at this point. You can be creative at this point. So fearless and powerful, and I am awake in my dream. So we can be very creative with this. Today is more like a creation day, I would say. So start putting some dreams out there. And Carla, let me pull your card. I hope you're having a great day. I am. And I'm hoping that you are too. So let's choose a card for Carla. Here we go. Carla, this is your card. I forgive those who have hurt me. So I don't know if you're having some challenges in your relationships or if this is from the past that's coming up that someone in your past wants to be forgiven and to let go of whichever whoever, whatever relationship or what it is that you need to release from with forgiveness. So forgiveness is a very powerful thing. It's a wonderful tool to use um, because it allows you to also have your own power, but realize that you may not have meshed in the situation with the person. So if the other person is requiring forgiveness, it doesn't take anything away from you to say, I am sorry. Forgiveness is a wonderful thing. And it's a way to, in your heart, open up and allow. When you allow for forgiveness, you're also having compassion for yourself. So it's a beautiful thing where you get energized to compassion and then you just start letting go of something that has so much energy that when you feel that release of forgiving and letting it go, it just opens you up to even more energy. So that's beautiful. So for all of us, if we've been triggered by any of these cards or triggered by any energy this morning that we want to just change, right? And open up to a new version and receive guidance, right? So we're going to connect into our hearts right now. And we're going to bring in our higher selves and we're going to ground into Mother Earth and bring Mother Earth into our hearts. Then we're going to bring in all our teams of gods, goddesses, angels, archangels, guardians, guides, ascended masters, our teams of elementals that work with us, our energy teams, our light teams, our sound teams, our vibration teams, our divine spirit councils, and yes, our galactic teams if you're working with galactic teams, and our starseed families. Some of you out there are working with starseed families. And so let's bring all of those energies into this space, the safe, secure space and time, this Facebook Live, just bringing them all in, feeling that connection, and then asking the angels to pour in the light of Source into the crown of our head and bringing that into our hearts, bringing Source into our hearts and working with Source in our heart and feeling the energy of Source and Mother Earth and our higher selves becoming one, becoming a trinity within us, and allowing that light to become one, and allowing it to flow into the area behind our navel, which is our neutral zone, the energy of our neutral zone, and allowing that Trinity energy to go into that area, and allowing that energy to now become neutral, right? And then from there, sending that energy throughout the whole body, bringing the body to neutral, each and every cell of your body to neutral, and allowing the sound to relax the brain, allowing ourselves to take those deep breaths that we need in life to just breathe and be and relax. Feeling ourselves relaxing into the sound, into the energy of neutrality within us. Allowing this energy now to go into our chakras, balancing our chakras, spinning them at the proper speed spin in the proper direction for your body. And then asking the heart chakra to send out this universal light energy to all the other chakras in the body, balancing all the other chakras in the body, balancing them, spinning them at the proper speed spin in the proper direction for the neutral energy now that's in your body. Allowing yourself to recognize this neutral energy. And now we're going to send this neutral energy out into our energy bodies. That are located outside the physical body. The layers of the energy body, there are 7 of them. And allowing each layer to receive this neutral energy and bringing our energy bodies into neutrality. from the heart chakra now, sending out this balanced energy into your aura, to your auric energy field and your auric container, and bringing in Archangel Michael and asking him and his army of angels to repair any tears in your auric field, auric container, and the aura itself. Then the heart chakra, sending out this balanced energy to your personal environmental space, 8 feet all around you, from your universal chakra above your head to the earth chakra below your feet. Allowing this beautiful, balanced and aligned energy to the neutral field, filling up to the edges and through the edges. Of your personal environmental space. Just feeling your whole system coming to neutral. Releasing any discomfort. Relaxing the brain and the body. Just allowing this beautiful Trinity energy to just move through you with the sound. Breathing deeply and allowing this time for yourself to just be. Feeling nurtured, feeling loved, feeling all your teams all around you. Feeling that I am sovereign in my energy. Feeling, allowing, and being I am aligned, balanced, and coherent to the neutral energy field of my body, in my physical body, in my energy bodies, in my aura, and in my personal environmental space and energy container. Feeling it, being it, allowing it, seeing it. Just being in the swirl of this energy, allowing your cells to rejuvenate, to renew. Just luxuriating in the peace and the neutral energy, the grounding into Source and Mother Earth, the love and light and the support that you're receiving, and the guidance that will come in the silence after the sound ends. Feeling thoroughly connected to all your guardians and guides and your teams, feeling and knowing you're connected to Source and Mother Earth. And just allowing this time for you to love yourself and to be who you are. And we say thank you to Source. We say thank you to Mother Earth. We say thank you to our higher selves. We say thank you to our teams of gods, goddesses, angels, archangels, guardians, guides, ascended masters, our teams of elementals, saying thank you to all our teams of energy, light, sound, vibration, our divine spirit councils, our galactic teams, and our starseed families. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We integrate all these beneficial upgrades into all levels of our awareness for the highest good of all, in safety, harmony, and bliss. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Jai Bhagwan Ki. Amen. And so it is. We slowly start coming back into our bodies, lightly moving our fingers and our toes, doing some foot rolls and some hand rolls, allowing yourself to feel yourself coming back into your body. If you're lying back, please start sitting up. If you're sitting up now, you can start to roll your shoulders, move your arms for ease and comfort. Allow yourself to take some deep breaths and come back into your body. And when you feel ready, open your eyes. So I want to thank you all for being here. I hope this was very good for you. It was very good for me. I just feel like every single time It really helps me adjust to what it is I want to achieve in the day. So I just want to remind you guys that I am fearless and powerful. I am awake in my dream. And what I saw, and I'm willing to share this with you, is I saw my goals for today. I wanted to work in Canva and produce some really good posts for Facebook for the next month and a half. Um, then I also wanted to bring in all my videos that I have for programs that I'm developing um, to my C drive and then loading them up into YouTube. Um, and then also working. There are a lot of things, but just, you know, putting it through like when I can get to them. But there is also the development of my website. So just so you know, I do have a coming soon page that's already listed under www.sandhyasoundhealingalchemist.com. So it's just like my business on Facebook. It has the same address. Um, it's called the same thing. Um, and there is uh, for requests for more information. So if you want to know the dates that the website will be fully operational, you can sign up to be notified. So if you leave your email address and your name, you'll get notified when it's ready and when it's up and where we are in the process. Um, and I'm just really excited because I love this new asset that I'm going to have to be able to deliver these programs to you in a much more efficient way, and I think in a much more deliverable and contactable way. So there's always going to be a way for you to, anytime during any of the programs that I have listed there, to connect with me, request guidance, whatever you need, because I have free 30-minute sessions available to you all. And then, of course, all of my information and in every way that I have sound healings available, MP3s, MP4s, um, all the other things that I do, and also how to make appointments and for different types of deals and different types of packages where you can work with me. Um, and they're all priced differently, of course, and everything. But unlike Facebook, it's not in one single list. It's going to be separated and nicely in a nice way, and it's all going to be available to you where you can look at it and make your decisions and then buy. So I really am so appreciative for all of you and for all the different ways that you've been working with me. And I do want to make things easier and available in a timely manner for you. So I'm going to be spending this last couple of months just trying to, update the page, getting it all out there. And then in January, I do want to start doing um, live programs with you all. So, there will be that for the new year. And I'm just really excited for everything that's coming up. So if you do want to work with me right now, though, I have new 15-minute sessions and 30-minute sessions. The 15-minute sessions are $20 and the 30-minute sessions are going to be $35. So, just connect with me through email, connect with me through Messenger, and we can set these up because I have the links and I can send them out to you, and then you can just, decide what day, what time, and how you want to work with me. So before we end today, I just want to say all my energy back to me, all your energy back to you. We are in our sacred spaces and places in time and dimensions, and we are disconnected. I'm sovereign in my energy, you are sovereign in yours, and we are in our own space. Have a great day, guys. Be well and enjoy. It's a beautiful day outside. It's early and the equinox is coming. So look for an even longer session on the day of the equinox because I like doing something special on those days, and we'll see what we can do. All right, guys, looking forward. And tomorrow's the new moon. Bye bye.